Did you know that in 1997, scientists detected a sound from the ocean depths that was louder than any creature on Earth could possibly make? They called it the bloop. This wasn't just any ordinary underwater noise. The sound was so incredibly powerful that underwater microphones over 3,000 miles apart picked it up at the same time. Think about that, a sound traveling across an entire ocean. The bloop lasted over a minute and came from one of the deepest, most unexplored parts of the Pacific Ocean. Here's where it gets really creepy. The location was eerily close to where horror writer H.P. Lovecraft placed his fictional underwater city of R'lyeh in his stories. Scientists scrambled to explain what could create such a massive sound. Some thought it might be an unknown giant sea creature lurking in the depths. Others suggested underwater volcanic activity. But here's the thing, the sound had characteristics that didn't match any known geological or biological phenomenon. The most disturbing part, despite constant monitoring of our oceans, the bloop has never been detected again. What's hiding in our unexplored ocean depths?